Mates, picture this scenario. You just bought a Samsung phone from someone online, and when you try setting it up, boom! Factory reset protection screen pops up asking for the previous owner's Google account. Or maybe you forgot your own PIN, did a factory reset to fix it, and now you're stuck staring at that same verification screen with no way forward. Getting locked out of your own device is beyond frustrating. You've got a perfectly good phone sitting there, but it's basically a paperweight. I'm Daniel, and today we're tackling this exact problem with a solution that actually works. We'll explore Wondershare Dr.Fone Screen Unlock and how it handles Samsung FRP bypass in just a few minutes. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's get started. Folks, Dr.Fone is a complete toolkit designed to solve common smartphone problems. The platform offers everything from data recovery to system repair, but what we're focusing on today is their Screen Unlock feature. This tool specializes in bypassing security locks that keep you out of your device. It supports over 30 Android phone brands and works with Samsung devices without wiping your data in most cases. The software runs on your computer and guides you through each step with clear instructions and visual prompts. What makes Dr.Fone stand out is its support for the latest Android systems. They are the first tool to support FRP bypass on Android 16, which means even the newest devices can be unlocked. The whole process is powered by smart recommendations that detect your specific device model and suggest the best unlocking method automatically. Friends, imagine you're holding an Android phone that's completely locked down by factory reset protection. You don't have access to the Google account, and every tutorial you've tried online has led nowhere. This is where Dr.Fone becomes your solution. After downloading and installing the software from the Wondershare website, launch the application. Connect your phone using a USB cable for a direct connection, or if you prefer wireless, there's a QR code option available. Once connected, the software recognizes your device and displays basic information like storage capacity and model details. The interface is clean and straightforward. Head to the Toolbox section and select Screen Unlock. From there, you'll find the specific function for bypassing Google FRP lock. The platform supports this on over 10 major Android brands, including Samsung, Motorola, Xiaomi, and Redmi. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring, and in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Select your device brand from the list. The software will then present different unlocking methods based on your specific model and version. Each method includes a helpful info button explaining what it supports. For example, one method works with certain Android versions and system builds, while another handles MediaTek processors found in specific device models. Mates, if you're unsure which method fits your situation, just try the first option. The software will let you know if it matches your configuration, and you can switch to an alternative without any issues. Click Start, and the software begins downloading necessary drivers for your device. This happens automatically in the background. After the drivers are ready, you'll see step-by-step instructions appear on your screen. These aren't just text instructions, folks. The software displays visual guides, showing exactly what buttons to press and what screens you should see. You'll follow along by putting your device into specific modes that allow the unlock process to complete. The entire operation typically takes 2 to 5 minutes once the drivers are downloaded. No coding knowledge required, no complicated commands to type. For those who prefer an even faster option, Dr.Fone also offers an online FRP bypass tool. This web-based version works directly in your browser and supports all device models across all system versions. The online tool can complete the unlock in as little as 1 to 10 minutes without installing any software on your computer. Okay, my friends, getting locked out of your device doesn't have to mean the end of the road. Dr.Fone Screen Unlock provides a reliable way to bypass FRP protection without needing technical expertise or risky workarounds. The software handles the complex parts automatically while keeping the process simple enough for anyone to follow. Whether you choose the desktop version or the online tool, you've got options that work with the latest Android systems. Guys, if you're dealing with this frustrating situation right now, give Dr.Fone a try. Have you ever been locked out of a device before? Drop a comment and let me know how you handled it. Feel free to check out the links in the description below. You might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.